Well, good evening, Ayush. How are you?
Fine, sir. Good evening, sir.
So, how does it feel to be a recommended candidate now?
Sir, it feels good. Actually, it has been quite some time now, so everybody knows. But the first feeling was quite amazing. So it feels good today also when actually people are now knowing they are. It is something that new people are coming and they are knowing. All of my acquaintances don't know, so every day there is somebody who is got to know today only. So I get one or two congratulations every day. So it
Great.
feels good.
So you're also inspiring a lot of youth, young people who are not aware of NDA as an option,
Yes, sir,
isn't it?
definitely. My cousin brother, younger cousin brother, and others also. I'm an NCC cadet. So my fellow cadets also are there who talk to me. They also congratulate me and they ask. They just want to know my experience and want to learn from it. So I share all these.
Let us now talk about your journey through this, uh, through this recommendation finally in the third attempt.
Yes, sir.
When did you first think of joining the defense services?
So actually, it started off with my grandfather. He's in the army, and the first image of army was created in my head from him only. He just randomly said one day that prepare for NDA, start preparing for NDA. So I searched about it, and then the interest went on increasing. So I prepared. I failed a few times, and then just I cleared.
So when you were in the 12th, you must have appeared once. You could
Yes, sir.
not clear the written test.
No, sir.
And then again, the April attempt, you could not clear
Yes,
the
sir.
written
So
test.
actually, I failed in NDA four times, written three times. I appeared for four times, and in the fourth attempt of written exam, I cleared, and in the same SSB, I cleared the NDA.
So, but this is your third attempt. So, two TES attempts you must have given. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, what had happened in those two TES attempts?
So in first attempt, it was September 2019. I got conference out from 24 SSB Bangalore, and then on 10th of January 2020, I got conference screened out from Kapurthala.
Okay.
Yes.
So what do you think must have gone wrong in the conference out attempt? Where do you think you were lacking?
Sir, I had this thing in mind that I should go raw. I should go in my purest form, which most of the aspirants have. So I thought that there is nothing wrong in it. But actually, I came to understand it afterwards that you need to be good in your raw state. So that was one thing which I came to know later, but the game happened by that time. I got conference out. So, but yeah, the main thing was lack of knowledge and also lack of the knowledge of the interview process also. So
Okay.
it was the first time I think that I must have read more about it, prepared well. Then I must have cleared the first attempt also. But it's okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure you will recollect. I keep saying that most of the candidates don't know what the assessors are looking for,
Yes, sir. Same
and
thing. Yes.
hence they do not know what they are projecting.
Yes, sir.
So it's basically, all of us, most of us have it in us, but it is just that we don't know how to project these to the
Process. Yes,
assessors in
sir.
the various tests.
Yes,
So to
sir.
that extent, yes, proper guidance would always help. But nobody can change your basic personality. It is not going to
Yes,
be
sir.
so easy. Fair
Yes,
enough.
sir.
So after the conference out, what did you do?
So after the conference out, actually, the guy there in my attempt, in my first attempt, there were two guys who got recommended. So one was who was recommended in his first attempt, and he was a freshie like me. So we three freshers had a good group. We went out together. So became a good friend, and he was from AFPA.
What
Yes,
was
sir.
his name? What is his
Harsh
name?
Singh. Harsh Singh.
Harsh Singh. Okay, great. Okay.
Yes, sir. So you all call him Pandit Ji.
I know, I know.
So he told that, yeah, you must go there. So then I came to AFA on December 2019. And then, but then also, I think the same thing which you say, that take some time after being groomed by AFPA. So I took 25 days of time, but I reached Bhopal, then I got to my schedule. So 5 days were wasted there, then and there, reaching Kapurthala. So I had barely 3 weeks, 18 days of time for my SSB, and I think that it wasn't appropriate for me to clear the to with which I would have cleared the SSB. So then after this COVID situation came, I had a long 9 months of preparation. So I just went on.
So you also
Remember?
cracked the NDA written test in that process.
Yes, sir.
See, this is what I always say, and I must continue to say this, that, you know, the actual preparation of a candidate would start after he has left AFPA.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Because the process of AFPA is very unique. Nobody does this anywhere else I know of.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, we train you, we teach you, we train you, and then we put you through an assessment process. And then that brings out your, the fact that where do you stand now?
Yes,
Where do you
sir.
stand now? And what you need to do hereafter. So if you're going to go to the SSB right after AFPA training and you're going to go in a short notice, and if there are too many things to handle, it may not be possible.
Yes.
And fair enough. So you got that extra time because of the pandemic. Everybody curses pandemic, but it came to be a boon for you.
Yes, sir.
So 3 attempts of NDA return you could not clear, but this
Yes, sir.
time you cleared the NDA return also.
Yes, sir.
And then you went for 145 NDA 145 SSB. Now tell me, how was your performance when you compare your performance with the first conference out attempt? What changes actually came about in your personality or in your approach towards the SSB?
So first thing would I would like to say is there was I mean zameen asman ka fark in my preparation. So when I was going this time, I knew each and every turn of SSB. I studied a lot about the SSB, about the academy, about the courses I want to join, about the knowledge. I gained as much knowledge as I can. I read books of your book was there the first thing, but there was another book, other books which helped me groom my personality and focusing on the SSB part. So there are some books which are not giving you about the process, but they have the qualities written in them. How can I groom them and other ways to develop the qualities. So I one of the very basic thing is I made my routine and strictly followed it as it was advised to me, and I had my routine pasted on the wall, and I wrote the 15 OLQs which are looked in us, and I went through them twice a day, every day for these 9 to 10 months, every day, and the PDFs which I got from AFPA, the PPTs for the TAT practice, and this is the thing, sir, that when I got screened out, didn't have the time to write the stories of those PPTs. This time I wrote 2 to 3 stories for every picture.
Very
So
good.
this was the difference in my preparation of taking all at the same time. And I had, sir, in the book, I would name that book Awaken Yourself Within You by Yash Rawat. It is a very famous book, and it had a thing that you just take a blank page of paper and write that I am going to get recommended, and make a chess number, whatever number you want, whichever you feel lucky for yourself. I had it, and it is still today. It is it is there on my in my bedroom on the wall. So these are the things, and it's for gaining knowledge. So COVID may there was nothing to do, so reading newspaper, reading books, just there was studying only. And yes, physically also I maintained my stamina. Actually, there was no place to go out. But actually in Bhopal, I don't know of other cities, there were that morning 5 a.m. they let you to run. Actually, they didn't stop me, so I went 5 kilometers run every day, uh, twice or thrice a week, 4 times a week. And so by this I maintained myself physically, and studying was the thing. After I cleared my NDA, I put on more focus on the SSB part. But before that, NDA clearing the written, which was my weaker side, because if not clearing the written, then it makes no sense to prepare for the SSB. So I first focused on the NDA. It was on 6th of September, both the attempts, 145 and 146. But 145 was my last attempt, age-wise. So I just put my more than 100% for the written, and then on the next day, I started preparing for the SSB and did all this. Weekly, I did two stories, two pictures, which means four stories on PPDT and TAT, and 15 to 20 words of WAT, and three sentences for each word. And on
Good.
Saturday and Sunday, I took directly a mock test of SRT, not preparing one by one SRT, one situation at a time. I just took Saturday and Sunday 50 minutes, 30 minutes for the SRT. Uh, First day it went to 30 SRTs, 31 SRTs, and then I took up speed. And when I was going to the SSB, before it, the final test 2 weeks back, I completed 52 SRTs.
Good enough.
Yes, sir. So this
Okay,
was,
tell me after failing thrice in the written test,
yes, sir.
and what new approach did you try to clear the NDA written test this time?
Yes, sir. So actually, I would say my grandfather told me that it is the speed which matters, which I came to know with my experiences also. That I think that NDA has very, very basic questions. If I look on maths, and the the GAT, General Aptitude Test, has easy questions, I can say, because they have the thing which can't change. History is history. So, and physics and chemistry, there are simple concepts. But maths is something which needs a lot of hard work. The most of your written, I can say 70% of mathematics and 30% of your GAT as a whole, you can cover. So I can say that, and not only that, I'm solving the questions with full concepts, but I just need to have the thing that I should know, have the ability to calculate in my mind. So that was the thing which I worked upon, and I just increased my speed. So it was only the game of speed only in the examination. And when I gave the exam, I knew that this time the cutoff will be cleared.
So how many maths questions did you attempt out of
So
120?
I attempted 68 odd questions out of 120.
68.
Yeah.
And how many were right?
So 63.
Very good. Okay. Because a lot of
Yes.
people, attempt more, but then they lose out on negative marks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Great. And it's been a great journey. So now you must be anxiously waiting for the merit list.
Yes, sir.
But Army, since your choice of service is Army,
Yes, sir.
Army, the number of vacancies are also more.
Yes,
But
sir.
tell me, what do you think based on your experience in the SSB? You think you are comfortably in, or you think there could be a doubt?
I think that I'll be in.
How long did you wait outside the conference hall before you were called in?
So not much actually. I can say that I think that being NDA SSB, they were taking more time for everybody. But as compared to the chaps who were going before me, one had his conference after 20-25 odd minutes of discussion on him. So by that, I can say that my conference was called in 7 to 8 minutes to 10 minutes after when I was waiting.
Yeah, that's normal. That's normal. Okay.
Yes,
Fair
sir.
enough. So your medicals are done and you are ready to join.
Yes, sir. I got TR for underweight. I gained weight.
Underweight. Okay.
Yes, sir. So I was.
Yeah, I remember. You used to be very skinny when you came to AFPA.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. It's a great news, Ayush, and I must apprise you that AFPA has produced now 333 recommended candidates
Sir.
in just about 3 years. In fact, 5th March is the AFPA's raising day, and that is
Yes,
day
sir.
after tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
And unfortunately, in these 3 years, for almost 9.5 months, we had to close the academy because of the
Yes,
pandemic.
sir.
But yet we have produced 333 recommendations,
Yes, sir.
and post pandemic we are seeing the number of recommendations growing up tremendously.
Yes, sir.
So in the month of from Jan to Feb, we produced one recommendation a day.
Yes, sir.
So it's all maybe somewhere the process that we follow here is helping people, and we are very glad and very happy about it.
Yes, sir.
And you are one
Definitely.
of those, though it has taken you some time, but then ultimately, it's all destiny, I would say. And जब वक्त आता है तो जो होना होता है वो हो जाता है.
Yes, sir. So that's the thing that after getting screened out and conferenced out, I have felt that yeah, I must have cleared in this attempt, but I won't be going to the NDA if I cleared them. I would be going to OTA Gaya. But there was NDA was one of the place in my heart. It
So
had
you were
say
destined
NDA
to
Chennai.
join NDA. So that's why this happened.
Yes, sir.
Great.
But I won't
One
say
message.
that I got rejected by my choice. I tried my best for those attempts also.
It's okay. It's okay. See,
Yes,
it's
sir.
ultimately, it is your destiny which will carry you wherever you reach.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So one message for the budding aspirants of NDA.
So I would just say that don't do the mistake which I did in your first attempt also, because I feel now that first attempt is your best attempt. So I say that prepare the maximum level which you can, which is in your limit, coming to any coaching or not, reading books. But yes, one of the habits which I am very happy that I built in myself was reading. Read anything, and it changes. Your interest in reading changes when you are preparing for SSB. It will be very natural that you will your mind will tend to read those books of NDA. There are many books in NDA which ex NDA have written, and your book is there to prepare for core SSB book. But there are many other books which will make you more interested towards your aim. And otherwise, if somebody is but reading should be there.
Yeah, agree.
Newspaper and books. Newspaper is separate thing, because it gives you an upper hand in your interview anywhere, for the SSB also, and out of that also to represent your knowledge. So reading is one of the main thing, and just preparing for the written if you are having the written, and preparing for the interview if you are having.
I'm so glad that you are emphasizing on all those things that we have been telling you people in AFPA.
Yes, sir.
Reading newspaper, watching news, developing reading
Yes.
habits. We also gave you a list of good books that one should read. Remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In the
I read
conference.
The Wings of Fire from that list, and I finished half The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari.
Yeah,
So
great.
that I'm in midway of that book, but I switched over to some more books also, which were very focused for NDA. There was a very good book, The Life in the NDA. It is a mere 15 pages book. It tells you about how many squadrons are there in the NDA, just to make you fond of the place where you want to go.
Okay, why don't you share the details of that on my WhatsApp?
Okay, sir.
I will give a copy of this to all my Mission India students.
No problem, sir. Yes, sir. I will give.
Thanks a lot, Ayush. It was wonderful talking to you and seeing you, today as a successful candidate. It really gives me a lot of pleasure and
Thank you.
satisfaction.
Thank you so
God
much.
bless
Sir,
you.
I'm
And
very happy to do that.
we at AFPA, we wish you all the very best for the next 3 years that you'll be in NDA and going through all the ragdas and all the goodies.
Yes, sir.
And also wish you for a very bright and satisfying career in the armed forces, particularly in the army.
Thank
May God bless you and Jai Hind.
you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.